Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Axie Infinity Axie classes, where we will break down the different classes and their characteristics. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Understanding the Axie classes is crucial to building a strong team and succeeding in the game. First, let's introduce the 6 main Axie classes: Beast, Bird, Plant, Bug, Reptile, and Aquatic. Each class has its unique strengths, weaknesses, and abilities. When building a team, it's essential to consider the class advantages and disadvantages to create a well-rounded team. The Beast class is known for its high health points and attack damage. They excel in close combat and are often used as frontline Axies. The Bird class, on the other hand, is agile and has high speed, making them ideal for quick attacks and evasion. The Plant class is known for its defensive capabilities, with high shield points and healing abilities. They are often used as support Axies to protect their teammates. The Bug class is versatile, with a balance of attack and defense, making them suitable for various roles. The Reptile class has high attack damage and is resistant to certain types of attacks. They are often used as damage dealers in a team. The Aquatic class has high speed and special abilities that allow them to dodge attacks and deal massive damage. When building a team, it's essential to consider the class advantages and disadvantages. For example, a team with a balance of Beast, Bird, and Plant Axies can provide a strong frontline, quick attacks, and defensive capabilities. In conclusion, understanding the Axie classes is crucial to building a strong team and succeeding in Axie Infinity. By considering the unique characteristics of each class, players can create a well-rounded team that can adapt to different situations and opponents. Remember to experiment with different class combinations and strategies to find what works best for you.